The call for the ban on exports of raw materials used in the manufacture of animal feeds has been made on the first day of a two-day seminar on advancing Uganda's feed and biofuel industry, organized by Uganda Animal Feeds Manufacturers Association and Andritz Feed and Biofuel.
We are requesting that government really helps us to see that we reduce or even stop categorically export of raw materials. Here we're talking about soya, maize, sunflower, etc. Because number one, we're destroying our own economy. When we export raw materials, it means, just as the minister said, our fellow youth are going to look for jobs in those countries. But now we have the technology here.
We need to ensure that to grow the animal feed sector, we secure the raw material. Yeah? You'll find countries like Zambia and countries like Malawi issuing export permits on a season-by-season basis based on the size of the crop.
Although Uganda is endowed with good soils and weather critical in the production of animal feeds, the country is yet to build a strong and resilient feeds industry. According to Helen Adoa, the State Minister for Fisheries, the call for the ban on export of raw materials is in line with the government's import substitution and Buy Uganda, Build Uganda policy.
We may have a challenge on importing these expensive feeds, but we want to start here. Now that His Excellency has said no, first of all, to coffee, no exporting raw material, why don't we now organize ourselves here? The youth that move up and down to look for jobs can now have jobs because we shall block our raw materials to be here.
Andritz Feeds and Biofuel is committed to offer a complete plant solutions tailored to the exact needs and specifications of Uganda's animal feed sector players.
And we want to be able to bring solutions that can be able to help the industry improve in light of the recent changes in regulations, with a focus on improving quality in production.
The animal feed sector in Uganda has been lagging behind in the region, whereas you find that most of the raw materials are got from here. So funny. But you find we are lagging.
There is a rising revolution fueled by the rising livestock population and relentless pursuit of quality and efficiency in Uganda's animal feeds industry. Dennis Igoa for UBC News in Kampala.